Good morning, children. Now I am going to take science for you. Okay, children. So this is science. I am doing from first. So this is revision. Science first lesson revision. Okay, children. So the lesson name is My Body Parts and Sense Organs. I think you have all completed the classwork and you have taken correction. So children, if you have not taken correction, come and take correction. So this is revision. Okay children. Lesson name My Body Parts and Sense Organs. First main odd words. First one head, H-E-A-D head. Second one eyes, E-Y-E-S eyes. Third one ears, E-A-R-S ears. Fourth one nose, N-O-S-E nose. Fifth one M-O-U-T-H mouth. Sixth one T-O-N-G-U-E tongue. Seventh one S-T-R-O-N-G strong. Eighth one R-O-U-N-D round. Ninth one J-U-M-P jump. Tenth one sense organs. S-E-N-S-E-O-R-G-A-N-S sense organs. 11th one W-R-I-T-E right. 12th one camera C-A-M-E-R-A camera. 13th one inside I-N-S-I-D-E inside. 14th one sounds S-O-U-N-D-S sounds. 15th one R-O-U-G-H rough. Okay children. So this is first main revision. Now second main, guess the names, write them in the blanks. First one, we help you to see. So with what you will see all the things children? So in the dash must write eyes. So we can see with our eyes. E-Y-E-S eyes. Second one, we help you to hear. So in the dash must write ears. E-A-R-S ears. Third one, I help you to smell. So in the dash you must write nose, N-O-S-E nose. Fourth one, I help you to taste. So in the dash you must write tongue, T-O-N-G-U-E tongue. Fifth one, I help you to feel. So in the dash you must write skin, S-K-I-N skin. Now third main, with which part will you know the following? So in the bracket they are given with the nose, with the eye, with the ear, with the tongue. Now first one, a kite is flying in the sky. So the kite will be flying in the sky. So with which one you will see that the kite is flying means you must write in the dash with the eyes. W-I-T-H with T-H with the E-Y-E-S eyes. Second one, the flower smells sweet. So with what we will smell children? So we will smell with the nose, no? So in the dash we write with the nose. W-I-T-H with T-H with the N-O-S-E nose. Third one, lime taste so. So lime means nimberdu. So sour means kahi. So with what part, which part you will know children that lemon is sour? So with the help of the tongue means nalige. W-I-T-H with T-H with the T-O-N-G-U-E tongue. Fourth one, crackers are bursting. So crackers means pataki. So pataki dum dum ಅಂತ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತಲ್ವಾ ಯಾವುದರಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂತೀರಾ? ಸೊ ವಿತ್ ದ ಇಯರ್ ಕಿವಿಯಿಂದ ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊಂತೀರಲ್ವಾ ಸೌಂಡ್ ಬರೋದು. ಸೊ ಇನ್ ದ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಯು ಮಸ್ಟ್ ರೈಟ್ ವಿತ್ ದ ಇಯರ್. W-I-T-H with T-H with the E-A or ear. Fifth one, watching Tom and Jerry on the TV. So you'll be watching TV, seeing TV something, picture, serial, animals, birds and all. So with which part you'll see children? The TV and all. So with the help of the eyes. So in the dash you must write with the eyes. W-I-T-H with T-H with the E-Y-E-S eyes. Next main, fourth main, answer the following questions. First one, what are called sense organs? Answer, the organs which help us to see, know, hear, taste, and feel the things around us are called sense organs. The organs which help us to see, know, hear, taste, and feel the things around us are called sense organs. Now, second one, how do eyes help us? So, eyes help us to see things. ಸೊ ಕಣ್ಣು ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಣ್ಣು ನಮಗೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಕಡೆ ನೋಡೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. ES eyes, HELP help, USS TO2, SEEC THINGS things. Eyes help us to see things. Next third one, how do ears help us? ಅಂದರೆ ಕಿವಿ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಿವಿಯಿಂದ ನಾವು ಕೇಳಿಸ್ಕೊತೀವಿ. EARS ಇಯರ್ಸ್, HELP ಹೆಲ್ಪ್, USS TO2, HEAR ಹಿಯರ್. ಇಯರ್ಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಹಿಯರ್. Fourth one, how does nose help us? ಸೊ ನೋಸ್ ಮೀನ್ಸ್ ಮೂಗು. ಮೂಗು ನಮಗೆ ಏನು ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಆನ್ಸರ್, ನೋಸ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಸ್ಮೆಲ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನಮಗೆ ಮೂಗು ವಾಸನೆನ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. NOSE ನೋಸ್, HELP ಹೆಲ್ಪ್, USS TO2, SMELL ಸ್ಮೆಲ್, THINGS things. Nose help us to smell things. Okay children. Next, how does tongue help us? ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ಟಂಗ್ ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಲಿಗೆ. ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ, ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಹಾಯ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ? ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಟಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಅಂದರೆ ನಾಲಿಗೆ ನಮಗೆ ನಾವು ತಿಂತೀವಲ್ಲ ಊಟ ಎಲ್ಲ ಎಷ್ಟು ರುಚಿಯಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. TONGUE ಟಂಗ್, HELP ಹೆಲ್ಪ್, USS TO2, TASTE ಟೇಸ್ಟ್, THINGS ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ಟಂಗ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಟೇಸ್ಟ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಹೌ ಡಸ್ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್? ಅಂದರೆ ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಚರ್ಮ. ಚರ್ಮ ನಮಗೆ ಹೆಂಗೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ. ಆನ್ಸರ್, ಸ್ಕಿನ್ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಅಸ್ ಟು ಫೀಲ್ ಹಾಟ್, ಕೋಲ್ಡ್, ಸ್ಮೂತ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ರಫ್. ಅಂದರೆ ಚರ್ಮ ನಮಗೆ ಬಿಸಿ, ತಣ್ಣಗಿರೋದು, ಸ್ಮೂತಾಗಿರೋದು ಮತ್ತು ರಫ್ ಆಗಿರೋದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಯೋಕ್ಕೆ ಹೆಲ್ಪ್ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ. SKIN ಸ್ಕಿನ್, HELP ಹೆಲ್ಪ್, USS TO2, FEEL feel, HOT hot, COLD cold, SMOOTH smooth, AND and, ROUGH rough. Skin help us to feel hot, cold, smooth and rough. Okay children. Now once again I am going to read the question answers. What are called sense organs? The organs which help us to see, know, hear, taste and feel the things around us are called sense organs. Second one, how do eyes help us? Eyes help us to see the things. Third one, how do ears help us? Ears help us to hear. Fourth one, how does nose help us? Nose help us to smell things. Fifth one, how does tongue help us? Tongue help us to taste things. Sixth one, how does skin help us? Skin help us to feel hot, cold, smooth and rough. Okay children. So these are the revisions. Okay children. Any doubt children? I think you could have understood this revision. So please sit and practice at home. Okay, children? Thank you, children.